Instant Pot Duo Crisp Review. The best all-in-one appliance, according to our kitchen appliance expert. Many kitchen appliances claim to be your 6-in-1 or 8-in-1 solution, the only cooker you'll need. Few live up to the hype. In my 5 years of putting kitchen appliances through testing protocols, the one exception I've found is the Instant Pot Duo Crisp Pressure Cooker. The Duo Crisp has earned a permanent spot in my kitchen and is the top pick in several of our guides, including the best instant pots, best air fryers, best slow cookers, and best sous vide cookers. Below, I will outline why you should consider it if you like to dabble in today's trendiest cooking techniques. Getting started. The Duo Crisp setup process is simple if you have experience with air fryers and pressure cookers. Just remove the packaging, select the correct lid, plug in the unit, and choose the settings you want on the intuitive controls. If you don't have experience with these appliances, the Instant Pot Duo Crisp may be intimidating initially. There are several safeguards to keep you from hurting yourself or causing damage, but take a minute to browse the user manual to get comfortable with it. There are separate lids for air frying and pressure cooking. The Duo Crisp can sense what lid you've chosen, so you don't have to worry about getting it wrong. If you're unsure what to make, the Instant Brands Connect app, available for iOS and Android, features hundreds of recipes with easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions. Pressure cooking. Pressure cooking is what Instant Pot is known for. And the Duo Crisp showed why. We cooked pulled pork, rice, beans, and more in a dozen pressure cookers for our guide to the best Instant Pots. And the Duo Crisp produced nearly perfect results. The Duo Crisp's pressure cooking lid has a vent that closes automatically when you lock it to ensure pressure can build. The pressure cooker lid is also used to slow cook, steam, and sous vide. The rice came out with a pleasingly sticky texture without excessive dryness and was ready in under 20 minutes. Only one other cooker was that fast. The texture and flavor of the beans and pork were impressive, though they required a longer pressure build time than most units we tested. Many recipes have you sauté meat before pressure cooking it. You can sauté right in the Duo Crisp, but you don't have much room. The pot has an 8-inch diameter, and ultimately the sauté results were mixed. I made the app's perfect seared chicken recipe, and the pot struggled to sear the chicken evenly. Yet, it browned a chuck roast and burgers well. Despite the mixed results, it beat using additional cookware to make the meal. Air frying. The Instant Pot Duo Crisp proved its excellence during air frying tests, yielding perfectly crisp frozen fries and tender broccoli. The air fryer lid is larger and has a built-in heating element and fan. Since the lid gets hot, the unit has a heat-resistant pad to set it on. In addition to air frying, this lid is used to roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate. In our testing, the lower layer of food ended up less crispy than the top because the heat is primarily directed from the lid. Another drawback is that the basket lacks handles, making agitating the ingredients difficult during the cooking process. Slow cooking. The Instant Pot showed its prowess in slow cooking beans and vegetables, producing delectable results. However, the roast turned out tougher than most, requiring a knife to slice. When following slow cooker recipes, we recommend adding extra cooking time. The Duo Crisp recorded higher temperatures than the average slow cooker, including boiling while on high heat, yet it maintained consistent temperatures throughout the cooking process. Since slow cookers are often used at potlucks and get-togethers, portability is key. The Duo Crisp is lightweight, has stay-cool handles, and the lid loosely stays closed, making it ideal for transporting without spillage. The bottom line: if you have a sizable budget and plenty of space, get dedicated appliances for each cooking method. If you are okay with meals taking a little longer and want to save money and room, the Instant Pot Duo Crisp is the unit to buy. I recommend it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below.